Hello everybody, and welcome one more time to BitBrothers Crypto, a place where you learn and discover new opportunities every single day. Let me just open here. My God, I always forget to open my computer. Let me open here and sign in so I can see and I can hear as well what's going on. We are live. If it's your first time here to the channel, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and of course become part of the Bit family. Follow us on Twitter as well, Papa BitBrother, Casquinha Crypto. Today I'm doing the show by myself because my dear brother Papa is doing some personal things he needs to do, so he will not be joining us live today, and I will take the show alone here. So remember, of course, nothing is financial advice. BitBrothers is a social podcast for entertainment purpose only. All opinions here should opinions expressed by us, the hosts and guests, viewers, comments, whatever, should not be considered as financial advice. Okay. Mixed crypto art. How are you doing, brother? All is good. Let's see what's going on today, guys. Apart from, I'm just starting the show today saying this. Apart from the craziness that happened the last 48 hours with Luna and the crash in the market going crazy and going down and stuff, guys, the show must go on. That's how you think. The show must go on. Of course, a lot of things happen, and we should have learned. We should have learned a lot from whatever happened, from the bad things that happen. From the bad things that happen with us, we should always learn lessons in order to not commit to the same mistakes again. But we're going to go through a little bit of that as well, of course, so we can close the chapter of Luna and move on, because we are still here. We are still enjoying our life, and we still have crypto in front of us. And that's why crypto is the way. Okay, crypto is the future. As long as you believe crypto is the future. Let me open here just for to go a little bit over the markets. We got some gains in the last 24 hours from Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, it reached 26,000 yesterday, and went to today's up the last 24 hours, 7.48%. So it did Ethereum. Ethereum sits at 7.82%, up 3 now. So let's see our big winners here. The big winners is the Steppen with 60% gains. Gala done 60% as well. Oh my God. And I thought yesterday of Gala. I even spoke to Papa about Gala. Gala is doing good, guys. The Gala is doing very nice, very well. I like that token. Cardina went 56% up. Decentraland 50%. It looks like we are getting a traction of altcoins, which is nice. Fantom at 44% up from 25 yesterday. I think it was 26 cents. Kava, Quants, Harmony 39%. Loopring at 35% up. Polkadot yesterday was $9 and today sit at $11.22, 35% up. Ape Coins 28% up. Engine Coins 30%. Zcash, Holo, The Sandbox 25%. Polygon Matic at 25% up. And the losers in this are, I mean, we don't need to go through this again. Terra UST downs, whatever happened to them. We don't even need to count. So Pax Gold lost. Binance USD, this doesn't lose, and it should be stable there. And this as well. All these stable coins are here. I think the stable coins is having a little shake after what happened. See, Theta, it's at 0.99, although Theta USDT went down a little bit, depegged a little bit up to 20, I think it was 94 cents. Tron up. So let's see up here, $1,317,000,000 is at the moment on the market. Guys, we are like less than 50% or more than 50% down in the market cap of crypto. We have over 19,000 token coins, crypto. And that's why is the importance of you understanding, study, and trying to get in the best projects. But we speak about that as well. Talking about this, best project and this and this. Just for us to close the cycle of Luna, because it was so much intense, everybody losing their money, a lot of people getting wrecked on the next level. Guys, what do we learn from what happened to Luna? That this basically can happen to anything. It happened to a layer 1 protocol with an ecosystem, with a crazy ecosystem. So not only Luna got destroyed, but everything that is connected to it, in a way, right? So that reinforced the idea of diversify. But like today I was watching, I think it was Run on the Banter show, and he said the idea of diversify not within the ecosystem, because if you invested in Luna, in UST, and on the project around the ecosystem of Luna, they also got wrecked. So you're not really diversifying. So diversifying is actually change chains, changing projects in different chains, find the best ways and opportunities around. Because if Luna went down, brought down or UST went down, brought down Luna, and the whole ecosystem, stopped, right? So one of the lessons we learned from this is be able to understand and diversify more. Apart from the first thing you should be investing in yourself, the first thing you should be investing is in yourself. First thing, like this, you have more knowledge, and the more knowledge you have, better will be your decision making when the time comes for you to decide where you're going to invest your money. Because at the end of the day, you were losing the money. You were losing thousands and thousands of dollars if a project that you invest collapse. So you need to be aware of this. There is difficult to know. I have my money in Bitcoin, I have my money in this, I have my money in this, in Ethereum, I have my money in Solana. It's difficult to say which one gonna fall, which one gonna wreck, which one gonna collapse. We don't know. And that's why you diversify. Okay? Because I still believe the future and the way is crypto. Of course, now going to the human side, of course, the person or the people who build the ecosystem, the people who build Luna, they didn't want this to happen. Whoever builds a protocol, whoever builds a new chain, they want the project to succeed, guys. That's what I want to believe, that whoever builds a project like Luna, which is a layer 1 huge project with so much, huge protocol with so much, with the ecosystem so big, because so many projects being built around on it, on the chain. Nobody wants the failure. Everybody wants to succeed, despite the human error. I heard some message that Don Juan, he was a little bit arrogant with people, with users. It doesn't matter. The guy is just young, and it's just a human, and humans make mistakes. It's normal. But what we need to understand is that anything, that's what I learned, that anything within crypto can collapse. Don't know, because of the stock market, because of the Wall Street, because of people, the most rich men in the world, because of the people who pull it up the key, because of this, because of that. There is no excuse we can find now in order to repair the losses of so many life savings, so many people who put all their money invested there, people who sold their house to invest there, of course. But the show must go on. We need to carry on. We need to make, if we believe that crypto is the future, which I do believe in that. That's why we don't give financial advice. We bring here projects that we believe have potential to help you to get your gains. But in the end of the day, guys, it's your decision. So you that are the one who invest the money. You cannot just listen to whatever and go and drop your money without understanding how the projects run. And even then, the lesson we learn from this is, even by studying, understanding the project, having a solid project like Luna already up there, kaboom, it fell. So be careful out there, because it's not nice. All right. So Pulse Astronauta, what's up, man? Thank you for all you do. Thank you so much. Thank you to be here. Happy Friday, my friend. Yes, happy Friday, and happy Friday the 13th. Friday the 13th. Let's go to some news here. I got some news here. Of course, everything's, is the last. Today's show is the last thing about Luna, so we can move on from Luna. Man. Terra blockchain temporarily stop block production. So they did this last night, I think. Aim to restart the network within a patch. So, I mean, they are trying to rescue, right? But it's difficult. At 12:14 p.m. ET, the Twitter account operated by the Terra team announced that the Terra blockchain network have been halted. According to the Terra developers tweet, Terra validator needed to apply a patch to further disable delegation. So yeah, they did this. They closed the block, so the block's no longer functional. Apparently, but Citadel have denied, but apparently here, BlackRock, Citadel, Gemini deny involvement in Terra collapse. But a lot of things, we had a lot, I heard a lot of indication that they were behind this. I don't know, I'm just reading a message, or I'm just reading the news from the Bitcoin.com. The world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, and hedge fund giant Citadel Securities have denied claim that they had a role in the fall of Terra USD and Terra Luna. In addition, crypto exchange Gemini has denied making a Bitcoin loan that resulted in the Terra collapse. Well, someone is there to blame. We don't know who exactly it is, but guys, it's not people with peanuts in the pockets. It's people with money, knowing that they would earn a lot of money with this collapse. Okay. Let's see if there's any more news on Luna, so we can stop with the Luna. Breaking news: Binance, of course, have suspended Luna and USD trading, aiming issues on Terra blockchain. So global cryptocurrency exchange Binance has suspended trading pairs with Terra ecosystem cryptocurrency. Exactly what I said from before. Remember, the ecosystem, it affects everything. Binance confirmed the move on May 13, Friday the 13th, with spot trading for Luna BUSD and UST-BUSD trading pairs being suspended. It's not clear when the withdrawal for the Luna and UST will continue, as the crypto exchange simply states that it will wait for the issue with the Terra network to be solved. Okay, so there we go. In another news, Nasdaq partners with XP to launch a cryptocurrency exchange in Brazil. I say this in Brazil because you guys, I am Brazilian myself, so I like to watch some news from there as well. XP informed Cointelegraph that Xstage will launch in Q2 2022 and will be fully integrated into the XP ecosystem, the largest investment brokerage in Brazil with more than 3.5 million clients and 168 billion assets under custody. The reason why I read this news is to tell you that despite what happened and with the crash and all of this, crypto is the way. I mean, and I'm giving you my humble personal opinion. I believe that this is the future of monetary system, and I believe that this is either will be adopted in crypto or you will be stopping time. I believe that. So of course, all this crash, it caused a lot of FUDs, of course, but a lot of fear into the market. So people get scared because it was such a big layer one protocol. But despite all of these, guys, this new open of exchange in Brazil, other exchange and people are investing in cryptocurrencies. There's new chains being built, created, will be new projects being built, and again, it will be other projects and sometimes strong projects being just collapsing. We just need to be aware. So the lessons we taking from all of this to close and finalize the Luna token is learn from the mistaking, do always diversify it where you invest your money, and above all, very important, never be afraid of take out your profits. If you don't feel secure, or if you already made the money that you wanted or you expected, take some money out and let it run on your profits. Take your investment out, guys. Doesn't matter which kind of project. Take your money out. Because if anything happens, you are safe. You are running in your profits, and then take a little bit more, buy on the deep. Work like this. Don't be afraid of taking profits out. Because if anything happens, you are safe. So I would rather be me being safe than the protocol, right? I would rather me take my money out and be safe to look after my family than collapse with the protocol. So don't be afraid to take profits on the way up of the charts. Remember and recognizing there is always fluctuation, right? Volatile. The markets are very volatile. The same way it goes up, it goes down. Okay, so if you believe on the project, if you believe on protocol, of course you invest, of course you buy on the tips, of course you hold the token. But whenever you believe it done a 5, 10x, oh, this is nice, I can take some money here. In fact, I can take the money that I invested. You take it out. That's it. That's it. And then you can invest something else. So always look out and be vigilant to yourself. So to protect you, to cover your risk, right? This is very, very, very important. Okay. Everybody knows here on the channel that we are focused a lot as well on the Richard Heart ecosystem. So we do love the post-chain, post-hex, and hex tokens and the post-chain ecosystem. Now talking about nice things, because we are in the months or in the week or even on the day, maybe today, we don't know, that the mainnet, postnet, mainnet will launch. It's going to launch today. I thought it would, but I don't think so. It might launch on the weekend. Maybe, we don't know. It may be launched next week. Maybe, and I hope so. So maybe we will be launched next week. We don't know. There is no date yet. But middle of May is tomorrow. No, today is the 13th. Middle of May will be in 2 days from now, right? Saturday, I think. It's going to be 15th of May. So it's going to be middle of May. It's either, guys, we are very, very, very close. So regarding post-chain, post-hex, and so on, if you have done sacrifice for the post-chain network and for the post-hex, go and check your balance on the post-chain. So you are 100% sure that all is good, your sacrifice is nice. If it's missing anything on the sacrifice, there's a button there. There's a button there where you can complain to the, not complain, you can send this, oh, there's an issue with my whatever, with my balance here, and you can send to the devs and people can check for you. Please do that if you have not checked and sacrifice your balance. J-Man, how are you doing, brother? In the house. My sacrifice are good. Yes, perfect, man. Perfect. Very excited, so am I. I'm waiting, very excited for the mainnet launch. And yeah, Luna is dead. Unfortunately, at least, guys, even if they rebuild Luna, it's gonna take a long time to get the trust of the people. But still, remember, the guy actually who built the protocol, he proved that he can build a strong protocol. But mistakes, people are humans, we make mistakes, there is failures here. So there is a mistake of didn't check there or didn't check this. So it happens. I'm sorry, and let's do it again. And they need to find a way to, I don't know, to help the community, to not let so many people down, people who lost so much things. So I believe that, I mean, this is a human thing to do, to help the community to put things together, right? And of course, I'm sure the community is going to stand with them there. Let's see. What else? Do I have anything else regarding post-chain? Let's see on my Twitter. Please follow us on Twitter, Casquinha Crypto and Papa BitBrother. Guys, if you go to my Twitter as well, you can check my other channel here, exclusive to post-chain network and Hex and PostX. My videos there are based only on the post-chain network. You guys can check there as well. Follow us on Twitter. Follow here Papa BitBrother on Twitter, because we are constantly bringing nice stuff and retweeting nice things on our Twitter there. As you can see, Papa is here. So we are doing this all the time. Please do check and follow us as well. On my new channel there is some videos on some other projects that they are built on the post-chain network. And that's, guys, we are in the week of sacrifice, regarding post-chain, post-X. And when it comes out, all the protocols as well, they're being built there, that some of you already have invested, have sacrificed. Again, remember, do your own research. Make sure that you always be aware of scam. Do not click in no message or link of DM. Whenever new chains or new protocols launch, you have a lot of, if you are in a group and you send a message, guys, I need to do this, how do I do this? You always will get DMs. People send you a message, yes, I am the monitor, I am this or I'm that, I am the moderator, whatever. Do not click in any link people send you, never. People don't send you DM. If you look here, at my Twitter, which is not a big account, a smaller Twitter account, you can see here, Casquinha Crypto, never DM first. We DM, we speak to people, but we never DM first. People, crypto influencer, people who create project and stuff. You wake up in this morning, you got a DM from Richard Hart. It's very unlikely. It's very unlikely, guys. This doesn't happen. Be careful, because people can connect to your wallets. They can steal all your money. And we are tired of scams. So please do be vigilant and be careful, because at the end of the day, guys, the money is yours. That's it. It's in your wallet. If people steal, there's nothing to do. You lose the money. So always be aware and be careful, okay? Pulse, it's a game changer. Yes, it is. I believe that post-chain gonna change a lot of things. I believe that post-chain gonna bring a completely different prospect to the community. A completely different perspective, how the blockchain is working perfectly. Hopefully the blockchain gonna be smart, spot on. It's faster, cheaper gas. And guys, eventually, of course, the more it use, eventually a post-chain as well will be expensive, like Ethereum. It's inevitable, because of if there is millions and millions and millions of people to using. But until that happens, it's gonna be, maybe I'll read something that will fix that. I'm looking forward. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be nice. But again, guys, do your own research. Make sure you check. Make sure the projects you are in, you checked, you read it, you understand, because that's it. You need to look after yourself. Don't expect nobody to look after for you. Do yourself, so you have the control of the horse, the control of the things that are happening in your financial life. Of course, everybody here is looking for one thing and one thing only: to have enough money to be able to buy the things that you love the most. And one of the things you love the most is time. So if you have enough money, you can have more time with your family, with your kids, to buy the things that you love, to travel, to do all these things. But in order for that to happen, you need to be always vigilant and do hard work. Because it takes time for you to study the projects, understanding, go there. And in that process, sometimes you get wrecked. I got wrecked a couple of times with NFTs or shit coins because my mistake. I didn't read the projects. I didn't study. I just went, I FOMO in. So always be careful and look out for that. I'm not embarrassed to say here to you guys, because it happens, especially when you are on the beginning of your journey in crypto. But it didn't stop me. Again, the show must go on. Like, we got wrecked yesterday. How many million people got wrecked yesterday with Luna? I lost some Luna. I tried to DCA a little bit in the end, but it doesn't work. It didn't work. It went to zero. So it happens. Shit happens. So we always need to be aware and be careful and make sure that we look out for each other, right? The community should be tight and strong together. And that's why we do our best to bring the best content here for you guys. All right, guys, whenever post-chain mainnet launch, we will be doing live. Doesn't matter if it's in the weekends, doesn't matter if it's in the night, or unless I'm sleeping. But if mainnet goes live, we will go live too. Because I mean, it's gonna be like J-Man said here, it's gonna be a game changer. It's gonna be a game changer. And I'm gonna tell you something just to close here that you must listen. If you are here listening to this, you are early to the game. You are early to post-chain, you are early to post-X, and everything that will be built on the post-chain network. And above all, you are early in the crypto space, which if you play the crypto game correctly, if you play the crypto game smart, within the next couple of years, I hope and I wish you to be very, very wealthy. Very, very wealthy. Then you can invite the BitBrothers over to your yacht, and we're gonna come very happy there to have a drink together. I am down $50 in Luna. Well, I'm telling you, you're lucky. There is people who are millions of dollars down. Millions of dollars down. The problem with ourselves is that we focus a lot on the bad things that happen. Let's focus always on the good thing. So imagine if you're down in Luna $1,000. That would be, but you're only 50, so that's a good thing. I'm going to retire in post. Yes, brother. Yes, so am I. So am I. Guys, that's it. Thank you so much for being here with me. It's very nice to have you guys here. I'm waiting and excited for the launch of Post-chain. And I will see you guys on the live when we are live with the mainnet. All right? So on the way out, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next live or in the next video. Ciao!